What gives you hope? What gives you hope that people will be held accountable?
Well, Carmina, I think that there's hope because the people are speaking out. There are more people that are empowered now.
So, natutuwa ka ba na hindi ka lang mag-isa na nagagalit, na maraming nagagalit ngayon sa nangyayari?
Tingin ko okay na maraming nagagalit because the worst for me problem is apathy. Apathy is you know something's wrong but you just don't do anything about it because you've lost hope. So the fact that you even bother to speak out means that you think that your voice matters, and so that maybe through your voice and the voices of the thousands of others that are upset and aggrieved and angered by this situation, there can be some kind of change, And a lot of the anger sometimes is also directed at me as a public servant. I am not exempt from that, no? And I welcome that, no? Because syempre pag lingkod bayan ka, talagang pinapayagan mo yung sarili mong mapuna, makriticize, siguro mapagalitan, makatanggap ng reklamo. That's okay, but the fact that people are speaking out is a good thing.